Hey, so you're thinking about getting some meme coin. In this video, I'm gonna give you 5 reasons on why I think it's a good time to actually get Dogecoin. Do not invest money that you can't lose. Don't invest your rent. Don't invest your kids' tuition. Don't invest anything that you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to the Crypto Profit channel, where you learn about different ways to profit from the crypto market. If it's your first time, be sure to subscribe down below. Click the link and subscribe as you learn more strategies and different things you could do to profit in the crypto market. So let's jump back into this video. In this video, I want to share with you 5 reasons why you should buy Dogecoin right now. The number 1 reason is community and popularity. Dogecoin has a strong and active online community, making it one of the most well-known cryptocurrency. They survived a couple of bear market. While some coin did not even make it to the first or the second bear market, Dogecoin make it to both bear market. I remember seeing them in 2018, 17 when they first came out. And then they went to the bear market of 2021, past to 2022, and now they went back down. But what I see, Dogecoin, they had withstand the test of time because of their community. Because here's the thing, if your power is in your community, your substance is in your longevity. And that is why we still seeing them around and growing and going to the next level. All right. So let's talk about the second reason why I think it's a good time to jump into Doge right now. Right. The second reason is because of their low transaction fee and their fast delivery. Dogecoin has very low transaction fee, making it very cost effective for you to transfer your fund. And they also very quick on the block time. They even quicker than Bitcoin, which means they have faster transaction confirmation on the blockchain. You can get your money a lot faster when we're using them. All right. So the third reason why I think it's a good time to get Dogecoin is because of their meme coin superstar status. Dogecoin has a meme coin. They attract and they interest also other newcomers, new investors in the place, because they are the first meme coin that went crazy viral before the Shiba Inu, before the Pepe come around. They were the first one. So, and they are fun, right? They started because it was for fun. It was nothing crazy. It was a fun coin. Everybody jump into it. So if jokingly someone say they're gonna give you $1 million, would you take it? Well, that's the crazy thing with Doge. It started for fun, and jokingly, people ended up making a bunch of money from this stuff. All right. The fourth reason why it's a good time is because of celebrity endorsement. You have high-profile people that endorses Dogecoin. For Christ's sake, you have the richest person in the world, right? When Elon Musk tweeted about this stuff, it generated so much media attention, so many investors, so many people that would not even have interest into the stuff started buying it. And now that sets them in a place where even other Dogecoin, they don't have people like Elon Musk promoting them and stuff. So that's another reason why you can think about this stuff, because it goes crazy high. But the thing you got to think about, Newton law says that whatever goes up, it must come back down. It came down, but I can tell you, if the thing that went up has the opportunity, if it went down and it has the opportunity to go back up, where would you rather catch it? At the bottom or at the top, right? Would you rather catch it at the bottom? Because right now we at the bottom, or at the top of it. Think about it. And the fifth reason is because of high liquidity. Dogecoin is listed on many various cryptocurrency exchange, making it very relative and very easy to buy and sell and trade it. You'll find it on Coinbase, you'll find it on Binance, you'll find it on crypto.com. Almost all the major exchanges, you'll find Dogecoin. And last but not least, I gave you 5 already, but this is my best reason. It's one of the reasons why I'm jumping into it back myself. It's because of the big upside to all-time high. The big upside to all-time high. Where we are right now, as I'm recording this video, if Doge go back to all-time high, that would be about 100x your money. 100x. If you're a big fan of Shiba Inu, I'm not saying Shiba did not go crazy. They did go crazy because it's the second meme coin that went crazy. Or if you're a Pepe fanboy right now, who's another meme coin that's going crazy. But realistically, if Shiba goes to all-time high compared to Doge going to all-time high, you will make a lot more money on Doge, because Doge all-time high, you're looking at about 10x your money. You're looking at about 10x your money. Because if you put $1,000, you're looking at doing $10,000, not 100x. It's 10x your money. You're looking at doing $100,000, right? Right now it's at 7 cents, and I think the all-time high was 70 cents. So that would be 10x your money. But if you're looking at Shiba, right now you're looking at 3 or 4x. So 10x is a lot more. And if you look at Pepe is newcomer. So those are the big difference between the all-time high into Dogecoin right now, which can be very advantageous for you right now, and how you can take this stuff. But anyway, just wanted to give you guys some feedback, some input when it comes to meme coin right now, which meme coin that I think I can get into. You know, do your own research and see which one you would want to get into yourself, but I'm betting mostly on Doge. Anyway, that was your boy Kater. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you guys later. Let's go.